Today is the day we have to do car prep. This thing is almost ready for comp. We just have to fab up a mount for the kill switch, and I've got a different mounting solution for the you can't see it, for the lap belts. I don't think that will work for. I don't think the like SCCA style like bolt-in harness mount I have is gonna work for comp. So I've got some plates, some eyelet bolts, and we're gonna weld those to the chassis and make a permanent solution for the lap belt and the fifth point, the crotch belt. And also the tow rig, my old Tahoe, old reliable, has a leaky strut. Yeah, so loaded down with all tires yesterday on the way back from FD. This thing was bouncing over every bump, and I was like, oh, of course, we blew a strut. Or it got worse enough to the point to where it's finally noticeable. But thankfully, I picked up a few of those from the junkyard last time I went. So we're gonna replace that real quick, hook up the trailer, load this thing, and then head to the shop so we can do some welding. Alright, so this one is completely leaking all of its fluid out, and this one's just dirty. Alright, so this one's the bad one. Obviously, compressing it with no body weight compared to the good one. I can't compress it. This one's good. Made it to the shop. I forgot to film, of course, so we already got the driver's seat taken out of the car and came up with a nice little template for the kill switch. And Ethan is over there trimming out the actual metal piece, our first piece, to hopefully one and done, but we'll see. And then we gotta weld in some plates for the harnesses, the lap belts, and I think that's it. Powerful. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Love you.
You know when I saw a video of somebody was removing sound yesterday?
Yeah.
Dry ice.
Yeah, but how do you get the dry ice to stay on the trans tunnel? Alright, so I got the homies here, and they have volunteered to help, so they're over here grinding away. That bit's like dead at this point. I know. It's gonna be for the lap belt harness. We're running a 6-point, so we've got 2. And the eye bolts protrude past this a little bit, so we're gonna drill a small hole, and just so the eye bolt can actually fit through the plate and this all the way in the right spot. we got all of our pieces fabbed up. The kill switch thing is poorly fabbed up, but it'll work. So we're about to, Ethan is here. He actually knows how to TIG. So he's gonna TIG everything in place. Otherwise I would have just poorly MIG'd it in place. But yeah, he's cleaning up the edges of some of these pieces and we'll get them welded in. All right, so Ethan got all these welded in real nice for us. And my ugly little tab, but it'll work. Now we just gotta pop it with some paint. This color actually matches the interior of the black Mustang really well, so just pop it with some spray paint and everything will blend in. All right, so we got everything done. Words are hard when you're cameraing yourself.
Too much.
Yeah, it's hard. But yeah, we got everything hooked up. Come check it out. We got our button all done. It's kind of ghetto, but it works. It is a solid mount, and it's where it needs to be. And then we got the seat back in with all the harness mounts properly in place. So everything's painted up, and it looks solid. Protecting my face. It face tracked me, so now watch.
Oh, that's fucking cool. That is fucking awesome. That's crazy.
That's why I got it, because I was like, I film myself by myself a lot, so this will give me like, I can set it up on the tripod,
Yeah, you could just talk
and
be
I
like,
can, yeah, and it'll follow me like it's a camera guy. Like, look at this.
oh, that's fucking sweet.
So that's fucking sick.
Bro, that's.
So I'm sitting here editing this video and realized I never filmed any sort of outro for you guys and just kind of cut the video short. We've been full send trying to get the last minute things done for the Mustang for Pro-Am this Saturday, and at the time of this clip it's Tuesday, so we've got what, 4 days, 3 days, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 4 days. And got a couple more things to do with the car, so that'll be on the next video, and then that one will drop probably Friday, and then we've got Pro-Am, so we'll have a video for that, obviously, and we've got a couple events coming immediately after. As long as we can swing it, we're going to try and get as much driving as possible and shed some weight on the Mustang as well, so we've got a lot of content coming out. So thank you guys for subscribing, thank you guys for liking the videos, thank you guys for watching and hanging out. That means the most. So I make these videos to kind of document life and accomplishments, and it's awesome that you guys enjoy it. At least someone enjoys it. So thank you guys, and have a good night.